Welcome to our updated guide on how to delete a message on a Snapchat group. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open Snapchat on your Android device. Once you're in the app, head over to the Chat tab where all your conversations are located. Next, locate the group chat from which you want to delete a message. Tap on the group chat to enter the conversation. Now, find the specific message you wish to delete within the group chat. Tap and hold on the message until a menu pops up on the screen. From the menu options that appear, select Delete to indicate that you want to remove the message from the group chat. Confirm your action by tapping OK when prompted. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage and delete messages within group chats on Snapchat. Keep your group conversations organized and clutter-free by utilizing this feature to remove unwanted messages. Enjoy seamless communication within your group chats on Snapchat by easily deleting messages when needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with deleting messages in Snapchat group chats.